The 2026 Volvo 10x10 Truck Motorhome is a unique vehicle that combines innovative off-road capabilities with cutting-edge comfort. Built on the reliable 10-wheel drive chassis provided by Volvo, this motorhome is intended for adventurous tourists seeking limitless luxury living, whether they are traversing freeways, mountains, or barren landscapes. The exterior's capabilities and design. Dominance in all-terrain modes. Thanks to the 10x10 drivetrain's exceptional traction and stability, the car can maneuver over challenging terrain, including icy passes and desert dunes, with assurance and control. Military-grade construction, with its sleek, Scandinavian-inspired design, integrated LED light bars, and sharp lines, the exterior is designed to withstand harsh conditions. Both composite materials and high-strength steel are utilized in its construction. Expandable living module. Even when the car is parked, the rear living quarters slide-out components can be extended. This gives the car more room inside without reducing its maneuverability. Interior features. Modern Scandinavian living space. The motorhome's interior has a sophisticated, minimalistic style with soft-touch materials, wood that is obtained sustainably, and panoramic windows that offer breathtaking vistas. Lounge and entertainment zone. A large central lounge with electric fireplace, immersive surround sound, a 65-inch 4K OLED smart TV, and modular seating that creates a cozy and welcoming atmosphere on cold nights. Along with other equipment, the gourmet kitchen features brushed metal and natural stone surfaces and includes a full-size refrigerator, an induction cooktop, a convection oven, and clever storage options. The luxury bedroom, a distinct master suite with a king-size bed, has features including ambient lighting, adaptive climate control, and custom cabinets. A secondary loft bed can be used to give family members or visitors more sleeping space. The luxurious bathroom is shaped like a spade and features a walk-in rainfall shower with water recycling technology, as well as heated floors and a porcelain toilet. Techniques and methodologies. The Smart Control Hub is a centralized digital interface that allows users to use a touchscreen or a remote mobile application to monitor and control all systems, including climate, power, water, and security. Sustainable systems like solar panels, a lithium-ion battery bank, a water purification system, and a diesel-electric hybrid powertrain guarantee off-grid independence for prolonged exploration. Safety Suite. This package includes 360-degree camera vision, adaptive suspension, automated emergency braking, and off-road navigation systems. Released in 2026, the Volvo 10x10 Truck Motorhome is much than simply a car. It's a mobile luxury fortress built to survive the demands of international roads. Whether you are traveling across nations or retreating into the woods, it offers the comforts of home together with the flexibility of exploration.